Creating a cutting file using text in Canvas Workspace Online is quick and easy. We access the text feature through the pattern library on the left. When we click on text, we can see all of the available styles. To add text to our cutting mat, either left click or left click and drag, as we did with our basic shapes. To change the default text, double click on the text and then highlight the text by left clicking and dragging over the text, and then type the new word that you would like to use. Let me show you that again. Double click, highlight and type. So that was using one of the styles. Let me show you that process one more time using a different font style. I'll use the stenciling alphabet. So you can either left click or left click and drag, double click, highlight and type. Same again, double click, highlight and type. I will cover more about editing, resizing, grouping and welding text later when we come on to talk about editing shapes.